Before we learn about route model binding, first of all, let's make some changes here. So if you come here, you'll see that this is the latest post that was created, but we see it as the last post. It will be nice if you can see the latest post as the first post here. So let's fix that. So I'll go to the controller, and here instead of fetching all, I'll say give me all, but start with the latest one. Then get. Save. Go back to the browser, refresh, and now we have the latest one as the first post. After that, I want to fix this. I want this pagination to be here. So I'll come to the blog page, I'll cut that pagination, I'll have it down here, and then a break tag here, then save, refresh, and that is better. So now let's learn about route model binding. So I'll go to the show method in block controller here. So now there is another way that we can achieve the same objective of showing a single block, and that is using route model binding. So I'll comment this out, then here I'm going to say route using route model binding. Then here I'm going to say public function, it is show, then let's return this view. So how this works is that you inject the post model in here. So I'll come here and say post, then you have a variable here. I will call, let's use the same variable which was slug, but for this route model binding to work, you need to have your variable to match the name that you use here in your route parameter. So this is post, so we need to have this match that, so we will call this post. And now that's it. Behind the scenes, since here you've already indicated that you want to use slug, behind the scene Laravel will check a post where the slug is whatever we will have received here. So it will go to this model and it will look for a post which matches the slug that we get from the route, and by that now you have your post. You don't need to do all this, and this is called route model binding. So if I save, this should work. Blog, I think we have some changes here. Save. So if I go back here and refresh, working, I click the title, latest post, and it's working as before. Yeah, everything is working as before. So that is route model binding. In the next lesson, let's learn about how to make unique slug without using a package. Thank you for watching, and if this video has been of any help to you, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing, leaving a comment and a like. Cheers.